A parallel plate air capacitor has a capacity C. Distance of separation between plate is D and potential difference is V. Is applied between the plates. Force of attraction between the plates of the parallel plate air capacitor is. Here we know that the force of attraction between the plates of a parallel plate air capacitor is given by, we know that F is equal to Q square divided by 2 epsilon naught times A, where Q is the charge of capacitor, Q is the charge of capacitor, and epsilon naught is the permittivity of the free space, and A is the area of the each plate, Here, since Q is equal to, we know that Q is equal to C times V, and the capacitance C is defined as C is equal to epsilon naught A divided by D. Then F is equal to, Q is nothing but we can write it as C square into V square divided by 2 times C into D, where this square and C will get cancelled. Then the force is which is equal to CV square divided by 2 times D. This is our equation. So this CV square by 2D we can see in the option number C. Option C is the right answer.